Hello everybody, how are you? My name is Muhammad Mahmoud. I am an English teacher. I am going to give you a course in Arabic. This course, how to speak Arabic. Arabic language is very important. As you know, every language has letters. Consists of letters. As you know, in English we have 26 letters, and in each letter is written in two shapes, capital and small. Also, each letter has name and sound. Each letter has name and sound. The name different from sound. For example, if we have letter H, the name is H. If I ask you what's this letter, you say H. H is the name. The name. اسم. When we pronounce it, we don't say H. No, we say ha. For example, house. Ha. We don't say H house. Now we say house. Also, if we look at a letter like that, the name of the letter is that. But when we pronounce the sound of letter is z. For example, we say zoo. We say z. Because this letter, the sound is z. The name is that. Okay? This is in. Okay? As we said, the name and the sound. In Arabic, if you look in Arabic, we have 28 letters. The difference. Then in English, we have 26. But in Arabic, we have 28 letters. Also, each letter in Arabic has name and has sound. Each letter has name and has sound. When I ask you, what is this letter? You say, alif, ba, ta. This is the name. But when you say, if I ask you, what is the sound of it? You will learn it. Okay? So, let's start today. The first letter in Arabic is called alif. Look how to write alif. This is alif. The name. What we call alif. Alif. How we write it? A line and shape like this. Okay? This is a alif in Arabic. We call it alif. Like this. One. Okay. This. What is this? Alif. This is the name or sound. This is the name. The ismu alif. Ismu alif. But when we sound, what is the sound? In Arabic, there are small things put on the letter. But why we put these things on the letter? To change the sound of the letter. Because every letter has 3 sounds. In Arabic, each letter has 3 sounds. If you see on the letter dash, small like this, if we say a, should change. Instead we say alif, no, we say a. Because this is a. Then when we say an, because this is a. But if we look, we see something like this. They say O. It's not O. Because this is a, this is o. A, o. But if we say this dash under the letter, we call it E. E. Okay. A, O, E. A, what was here? O is this. E. Say Ahmad in Arabic. Ahmad. You got A. This we call it in Arabic Fatha. Say it Fatha. This is O. Like E. We call it O. Then Uhud in Arabic. Uhud. You got O. You got A. O. This is E. This is E. They will say English. English. E. You got A, O, E. This is the first letter. What's the name? The name Alif. The sound A, O, E. Why this is A? Because we have slash above. Say A. This is O. O. This is E. You got A, O, E. Again. What's this? A. A. This is O. O. This is E. E. The second letter, like blade. If you look at the blade, when you make a blade like this, and we put dot. This letter is called Ba. Ba. Because this is Alif, this is Ba. Also, like this, as we made a blade and we dot, dot. Like this. Okay. Also, the sound of this letter, we have three sounds. As we said, if we put here, Fatha, see, Ba, right? Ba, Ba, okay? But if we put Dhamma, Bu, Bu, the Ba, Bu, Ba, under B, اسمها B, Ba, Bu, B. This is Ba, okay, slash above. This is Bu, the O, Bu. This is B. Got Ba, Bu, B. If you look carefully. We have one dot under. But the letter number 3 is Ta. Like this. But we have 2 dots inside. We say this is Ta. In Arabic, Ta. Ta, Ta. But it has 3 sounds. 3 sounds. As I said, if you put a slash above, ta, ta, ta. But if we put, this is 2, ta, 2, here, T, like tea, you drink tea. Okay? You get ta, 2, T. Again, from the first. A, O, E. Ba, Bu, B. Ta, 2, T. Ta, 2, T. Ta, as we said, we write in English. Ta, T-A. 2, T-O. T, T-E. We say ta, 2, T. Number 4, as the letter number 4 is Sa. Sa. Look at your tongue. Sa. Sa. Like this. Za. Okay? We put also like a blade, but we put three dots. Three dots. Here, one dot, two dots. Here, three dots. And we put three dots. Okay. Also, and sound. If we put here, fatha, so, sa, sa, sa. But if we put dhamma, we say su, su. And if we put here, we got si, we got sa, su, si, sa, su, si. Okay, this is 4 letters. Quickly, number 1. Remember, this is a, u, e, a, u, e. Number 2, ba, bu, bi, ba, bu, bi. Number 3, ta, tu, ti, ta, tu, ti. Number 4, sa, su, si, sa, su, si, si. Okay? I want you to learn these letters carefully. Maybe at first it will be difficult, but by practice it will be very easy. Okay? Thank you and see you again next episode.